Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to create the project structure needed for a Kafka application. But before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. Bonus tip: are you in a hurry to learn Kafka? Well, I have good news for all who want to understand the fundamentals of Kafka. Check out the Udemy course link in description. And you can access all Kafka training videos in just one click. So let's get started. Step 1. Create a Spring Boot project with required dependencies. Open Eclipse IDE. Go to File, New, Project. Select Spring Starter Project. Click on Next. Change the artifact, description, package, and name to Spring Kafka. Click on Next. Search and add Spring for Apache Kafka. And Spring Web as the dependencies. Click on Finish. Project is created but shows some error. So let's fix the JRE path. Right click on Project, Build Path, Configure Build Path, select JRE, click on Edit, select Alternate JRE, click on Finish, click on Apply and Close. You can see the error is gone now. Let me also add DevTools as dependency so that project gets restarted automatically on any changes made. Right click on project, Spring, add DevTools. Step 2. Create required classes. For that, first let's create the packages. Right click on project, new, package, enter package as com.springkafka.controller and click on finish. Similarly, create another package, com.springkafka.service. Now create classes. To create client class, right click on controller package, new, class, enter name as get message from client and click on finish. Create service classes. Right click on service package, new, class, enter name as Kafka producer and click on finish. Right click on service package, new, class, enter name as Kafka listener and click on Finish. Let me refresh the project. And as you can see, we have the required packages and classes now. Step 3. Create YAML file. Right click on Project, New, Other, search and select File. Click on Next. Enter name as application.yml and click on Finish. Let's create the basic structure in YML file. Spring, Kafka, Producer, Bootstrap servers, key serializer, value serializer, Now save the file. So we have successfully created the project structure needed for a Kafka application. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.